Okay, this is the first unit of melodic dictation. And to start melodic dictation, we're going to listen for 8-bar melodies that use a limited number of scale degrees. Just the 3rd, 5th, and 6th scale degrees within the melody, and then the final note of the melody will be the tonic pitch. And what I've shown here in the examples are some melodic patterns to listen for and make sure that you're able to sight sing. This is not meant to demonstrate rhythm. I have used half note values merely to emphasize the importance of notes that are part of the tonic triad. So scale degrees 3 and 5, E and G in the key of C are shown with half notes. And then I've marked scale degree 6, A in the key of C, simply as a darkened note head, which I want you to listen for as a note that resolves towards the dominant pitch, scale degree 5. We'll sing through these and I think you'll hear that in a second. And then I've shown the tonic pitch with the whole note value because obviously it is the most important pitch and where the melody gravitates towards. So you want to hear that, the importance of the tonic pitch overall. I'm going to play and sing through these patterns. Again, listen for scale degrees 5 and 3, the G and E as sort of central pitches of the tonic triad, and how scale degree 6, the A, is either an upper neighbor or a appoggiatura to scale degree 5. Okay, I'm going to sing these first on scale degrees numbers, and then I'll do them on solfege. Most of the courses at CSU Pueblo, you will do those on solfege, but I'll also demonstrate them on scale degree numbers so that you can get a sense of the overall position within the scale of these pitches. So here's the key of C. Five is our first pitch, and singing through that first little melodic pattern, make sure that you're able to sing and listen for 5, 6, 5. In the second pattern, we're jumping between the 5th and 3rd notes of the scale and members of the tonic triad. 5, 3, 5. In the third pattern, we have an appoggiatura where 3 leaps up to 6 and then resolves to 5. 3, 6, 5. And then all our melodies will end on 1, the tonic pitch. If we're singing these patterns on solfege, sol, la, sol, sol, mi, sol, mi, la, sol, do. Okay, make sure that you're able to sing those patterns. Moving on to our 8-bar melody. Again, we will only use scale degrees 3, 5, and 6 within the first 7 measures, and then we will end on the tonic pitch as a whole note in the last measure. I can go ahead and tell you that. This melody is also constructed as a parallel period, which means that the second 4 bars will begin much like the first 4 bars. So listen for that repetition to sort of help you figure out where you are within the melody. In terms of rhythm, I will only use quarter notes, half notes, and whole notes. The rhythm is left intentionally easy on these melodic dictations because the important thing is to be able to notate pitch, dictate pitch. Okay, begins on a half note G. I'm going to establish the key, count off 4. I will play the melody once for the video, and then you can back up and play the example as many times as you need. Again, in an exam situation, you'll hear it 5 times. So try to do it within 5 hearings. Okay, so here's the key of C. Beginning on the half note, scale degree 5 or so. Here we go, a count of 4 to start. 1, 2, 3, 4.